Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. My name is Akib and I'm back again with yet another automation by which you can generate and collect leads from TikTok automatically. Yes, guys. And guys, stats says that TikTok has about 1 billion monthly active users. So you just cannot ignore the potential of TikTok to give you the leads that you're looking for your business. So this automation that I'm about to show you will allow you to collect those leads in a spreadsheet application like Grist so that you don't have to manually struggle with the data of your leads and you can focus on nurturing them. So without further ado, let me show you how it is going to work. So as and when you will get a lead generated from TikTok lead ads, the same lead will be added in a spreadsheet that you have created in Grist application. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. So now let us set up this automation together. So guys, to set up this automation, you need to first log in into your Pabbly Connect account. So please do check the link that we have pasted in the description, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free tasks for every month. Okay. So after setting up your account, you can sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. Okay. And guys, here you have to start this automation by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just click here on this create workflow button, and then you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So let me fill the name here. So guys, I have given the name to this workflow as collect leads from TikTok and Grist automatically. Okay. And here you can click on this create button now and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, that means when any event occurs, Pabbly Connect will trigger and perform an action. And so the action is a response to the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new lead generated in TikTok from TikTok lead ads, and the action to that trigger is to send the same lead in Grist application. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up your trigger, and from this choose app field, choose the trigger application as TikTok, this one, TikTok lead generation. Okay. And then it will ask for the trigger event. So the trigger event would be a new lead, and it will trigger this workflow when a new lead is created. So select this from here and let me show you my TikTok's advertising dashboard. This is my advertising account in TikTok, and here I'm using here I have two advertising IDs. One is this one and other is this one, so I'm using this one. Okay. And here I have created a lead collection form with the name as contact form. Okay, let me show you this. So I have created this lead collection form here, but guys, I'm not running any lead ad here right now. Okay. So when you use this trigger event as new lead, it will capture the response from a live TikTok lead ad. Okay. So if you're having a live TikTok lead ad, so it will capture the response, and it will capture the response when you connect with your TikTok. So let me connect with my TikTok by clicking on connect. And from here, you can select add new connection option, then click on connect with TikTok lead generation, and it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. As I already logged in, so it will ask for the access required to connect with TikTok. And let's see. So it will take a few moments here. And here you can see in this page, it is asking for requesting permission for all these things. So here you just have to click on confirm. So you can see the authorization is successful here, and you will be connected with TikTok in a few moments. You can see we are connected now. Okay. And here it is asking for the advertiser's ID that you are using and the form ID from which you are collecting the leads. Okay. So when you click here, it will show you the advertiser's ID. I am using this one, so I'm selecting this. And here it is asking for the form ID. So this is my form. Okay, this is the contact form that I have. You can see. So it is automatic. You can select it from this drop down. It will show you the all the forms that you have created. Okay. And now when I click here on save and send test request, it will start waiting for the waiting for the response from your TikTok lead ads. But guys, right now I am not running lead ads. If you are running lead ads, it will kept on waiting until you get a lead. Okay, so this is one way to capture lead here. We have another way. Just to set up this automation, we can use another way to generate a test lead. Let me show you how. So guys, now what we can do, we can connect TikTok again here in this actions tab, and we are going to use an action event given by Pabbly to create a test lead to set up this automation. Let me show you. So select TikTok here again, and here it will show you these action events: create a test lead or delete a test lead. So select create test lead option. So it will give us a test lead to make this automation. Okay. So from here, now you can select this existing connection option because we have already connected with TikTok in the first tab. So just choose this and click on save, and will be connected again like this. Okay. Now select the advertiser's ID that you are using. Okay. And select the form ID that you are using. Okay. And click on save and send test request. So it will show you a test ID created, which will so in the original, when you will collect the lead from your original lead ad or a live lead ad, it will show you the actual details that you are getting from the lead ad form. But here it is showing us the test data. You can see we got the test first name as test first name, the last name as this, the test email. Okay, so this is how the data will look like in real time when you capture the data. Okay, so in this tab you got the data, and also in the first tab we also got the data here because the trigger was same. Okay, so we connected in the trigger that when a lead got created, capture the data, but we created the lead with the help of this action event. That's why the data got captured in both of these steps. Okay, now we want to add this test lead. Okay, so we want to add the lead that we are going to capture in real time in our Grist application here like this. Okay, but to set up this automation, we have the test data, so we can use this test data also to set up this automation. So now you have to click here on this plus icon, and as an action step, now we are going to use Grist here to save the data of lead in the spreadsheet. So I'm using Grist application. And guys, I have also already created a video to connect TikTok with Google Sheets. You can check that video in the I button. Okay, so please do check the video. It's a similar video like this. So in place of Grist, you can use Google Sheets as well, or any other form building application as Airtable or StackBy. Okay, so here in this action event, I'm going to use this action event, that is create a record. So it will create a record in a specific table that you have in Grist. Okay, so I'm selecting this and I'm clicking on connect, and here from this add new connection, I'm going to connect Grist, and here it is asking for the API token. So to get this, you have to navigate to profile settings of your Grist account. So let me show you. This is my Grist account, and here I have this profile icon. Okay, so click on profile icon and go to profile settings. And here in this profile settings, you will find this API key. Okay, so you just have to copy this key from here like this, and you have to paste the key here in this token field like this. Then you have to click on save, and you will see that it will be connected with Grist in a few moments. You can see connected is showing up here. Okay, so now it is asking for the team. So we have teams in Grist. You can select team as personal. Okay, and then it is asking for the workspace. So you can create workspaces and teams in Grist. So select your workspace as home or whatever you have created here. Let me show you. This is the workspace we are using, home workspace. Okay, so I have selected home here, and then you can select the document that you are using. I am using this document, TikTok lead. Okay, so select the document as TikTok. The TikTok was our document here, and the lead is the name of the table. Okay, so now select the table as lead. As we have only one table, it is showing us only one. Now start mapping the details that you got from the second or first step, this test data. Okay, so we are going to use this test data for now, but in real time when you generate a real lead, the data will be changed automatically, not to worry. Okay, so I am going to map the data. So to map, just click here on this first name field and you will find both of these steps that you have previously done. So from this second step or from this first step, you can map the data. Okay, so if you're running a live lead ad, you won't be needing this second step. You can get the data from this first step also. So let me map from the first step only. Okay, so I'm mapping the data as the first name is here. Okay, and you will find the last name as well. This is the test last name. Okay, the email address, where is the email address? You will find the test email address as this, the test mobile number. Let's see if we have the test phone number. Yes, we have. Okay, test last name, where is the phone number? This is it. Okay, and the creation time. Okay, so let's see if we have the creation time of this lead. So this is a timestamp that we got. You can map this also. Here you will find, okay, in this entry create time, you will find the timestamp in real time. So you can map that also. So here you will find the time when you capture the lead in real. Okay, so this is the test data I have mapped. Now let's check our connection with Grist, if it is working properly or not. So I have this table here. Now let's check. I am clicking on save and send test request here, and this test data will be delivered in a new row in Grist in our table. Okay, so here it is showing us this record ID. Let's check in our table, and you can see in this fourth row a new lead got added here like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen. Now you may are wondering why the third field is left, because previously we got the data here which I have backspaced. So not to worry, it will keep on adding rows like this. Okay, so connection with Grist is working properly, and we are done setting up this automation. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. And here you can see in the very first step, I connected TikTok lead generation as the trigger to create a new lead, and with the help of this advertiser ID in the contact form, I connected my TikTok. Then it will start waiting for the lead to come, but as I am not running any live ad, it will keep on waiting. So for that, I connected TikTok lead generation again in the action step, and with the help of this create test lead action event, we created a test lead. Okay, and with the help of this data, we have set up this automation further and connected Grist application in the action, selected the team, the workspace, the table in which we are adding the data, and I mapped the data and we checked our connection, and that was completely fine. Okay, now you just have to click on save. And guys, you have to set up this automation only once. You have to make the connections and map the data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, when you will run the live ad on TikTok, and you will get the lead, the data of the lead will be captured and will be sent to your Grist table automatically. Okay, and guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.